So is 6 afraid of 7? I don't know. Hey, it's Julian from Utterly Random Techie, and I'm gonna do something different for this video. I'm planning to do the realme 7 unboxing in a different and weird way. Why is this empty? Why is this light? Here, let's open the box. Oh crap. What? Oh no. Everything's missing. What? So weird. Okay, what's this? Ha ha ha, I hid the realme 7 and the contents of this box. You have to go find it. Start with the realme 6. Okay, so I have to start with the realme 6. Where is it? I'm just gonna come along with me on this ride. Oh, there it is. Oh, so it says here to find the realme 7 near the biggest screen outside the room. Even has the weird emoji thing. Let's go find it then. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there! There it is. There. Okay, so, here. So here's...
The Realme 7 is a phone that still manages to punch above its weight class with features that you normally don't see in its price range. Here's a rundown of the specs.
What's that? Okay, treasure hunt. So there are 3 items in here. So first is a box that welcomes you within the drawers. Okay, let's find that first. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Drawers here? No, it's not. Oh gosh. Here? No. Maybe here. Oh, there. Oh. So this is the usual box that you always see, the realme box here. Oh, so it has the, of course, as one of my friends says, so there's the SIM ejector tool, embracing a new journey down right up, and you know, the usual boxes here, stuff in the quick guide. So let's shut that there. Okay, so that's done. Next is I will make you go up to get protections for this phone. What is this? It's probably because of the jelly case, so let's probably go up for that one. I remember it could be upstairs. I haven't been here in a while. Oh, weird. Okay, there's nothing there. Oh, there.
The Realme 7 now sports the mirror design in 2 colors, Mist Blue and Mist White. Realme says that this design is inspired by nature. I personally find it very classy, and I could imagine myself bringing it in a business setting without drawing too much attention to it. Now back to the hunt.
So we found both of those. So I'll check this one. Oh, I accidentally deleted. So last, need to charge. Yeah, it's like 41%. So I probably don't know if I need to charge though. So we'll see. Probably in the place where you started. Okay, let's go. Okay, get the stuff here. Go. Wow, where could he hide the thing? I'm not sure. Okay, let's go look. It's probably not here though. Here. Oh, there it is. Oh, there. Phew. Oh, I never.
Yes, the
So,
Realme 7
this is
supports
the-
30-watt dark charge that can charge the phone from 0 to 100 in 65 minutes.
Okay, so let's put it back all in the box. So, haha, I beat you, freaking person. Okay, let's put it back in. First, put this back in. Then we put this back in. I think that's the proper way to put it. This. Then we put the phone, so it's done. Then this is probably disarranged now since we have that thing. Put it back in just to be safe. All here, in, and there. Whew, that was close. That was close. So I was gonna lose it because I had to, pre-unbox the thing so I can check the stuff beforehand. And good thing I found it, or else I couldn't do the review. So yeah, before I let you go, I want to share some camera samples of the Realme 7. So here we go. And that was it for my quirky unboxing of the Realme 7. So hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it. I'll be doing a full review on this phone on the channel probably next week. So hit subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video, hit the notification bell to know when my videos are coming out. And until the next one, enjoy your tech. Bye!